This is for the silt fence. Silt fence is going to be here. I made them go all the way across like this because that's where they're going to dig for the septic. So might as well just kill two birds with one stone and do that. Knock that over, no big deal. Hit the dogwood. Hopefully that doesn't die. It's raining today, if you hear a noise. Gotta hit that tree. It must have slid down the hill. And we got it to right there to start. I didn't want to go all the way to the trees because I wanted enough room to get by here with my mower. Gonna have to straighten some of this stuff out. Some of it's gonna be rough. Don't want to mess my mower up, but it'll be okay. But anyway, that's it. That's it right there. I guess they're gonna try to install the silt fence today. I'll do another quick video when they're done.